Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix control center on iPhone iOS 26. So basically iPhone has introduced their latest iOS version, iOS 26. So if you want to check the features, then it is available and you can simply update by going to settings and checking for software updates. So it had included many features. So one of the feature is the transparent control center, but if it is not working or not showing on your iPhone iOS 26, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have simply updated your iPhone. For this, you have to simply go to settings, and after that, you have to general, and you have to go to software update, and you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update, and if it is showing, then you have to simply update your iPhone. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to the general, and after the settings, and here you can simply search for the control center settings. And here, if you look for a control center, then it is option available. So here, if you look for the setting, then only one setting is available. One is access within apps, which means if you want to access the control center when any other apps is available, then you can simply go for that. But if you want to reset control center, there is also option available. Then you have to simply set all your defaults or settings of the control center, which means you have to simply set. Now, if you want to set it, then you have to simply press and hold the control center, and after that, you can simply see the option is available that you can simply add or remove any option from the control center. But if you want to fix that transparent look on your iPhone iOS 26, which is not showing, so how you for this you have to simply wait for some time, but it's because it is still not available in many of the iPhones, so you have to wait for some time. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.